Today I have a story for you using reported speech, also known as indirect speech. This is aimed at students with an A2 and B1 level of English, so let's begin. Last weekend was very interesting for me because many people told me different things, and I kept thinking about their words later. On Saturday morning, I met my friends at a small café in the city. We sat together, drank coffee, and talked for a long time. First, my friend Jake told me that he was planning to travel to Thailand the next month. He said that he wanted to relax on the beach and try a lot of street food. He also told me that he had been saving money for this trip for a long time. I told him that it sounded like a great idea and that I hoped he would have an amazing time. Then, my friend Sarah told me that she had started a new job 2 weeks before. She said that her boss was very kind and that her colleagues were helpful. She also told me that she was a little nervous on her first day, but now she felt much more confident. She said that she was learning new skills every day and that she was happy with her decision. After that, Tom told me that he had a bad experience the day before. He said that he had lost his phone on the bus and didn't know where it was. He told me that he had tried to call it, but nobody answered. I told him that he should contact the bus company and ask if they had found it. He said that he would try that later. In the afternoon, I went home and spent time with my family. My mum told me that I needed to take better care of my health. She said that I wasn't eating enough vegetables and that I should exercise more. I told her that I understood and that I would try to be healthier. Later, my dad gave me some advice. He said that I should save more money and think about my future. He told me that it was important to plan ahead and not spend too much on unnecessary things. I said that he was right and that I would try to manage my money better. In the evening, my younger sister came to my room. She told me that she wanted to improve her English. She said that her teacher had given her a lot of homework and that she didn't understand everything. I told her that I would help her and that we could study together the next day. She smiled and said that she was really happy. Before I went to bed, I thought about everything people had told me that day. My friends shared their plans and problems, and my family gave me advice. I realized that even though everyone said something different, all their words were important. They helped me think about my life, my future, and the things I should do next.